What a ride, man. I survived. I'm alive. What a ride. I knew this before. I forgot about it, but rain hurts when it hits your face. I had to ride with my face shield open. It was getting foggy. And I have a windshield, but the rain that was falling in between the windshield and my face hurts. How am I going to deal with this? And I just came up with this. I just open up your mouth. It tightens up mouth muscles and stops hurting. Every 3 miles, you get a gulp of water. Just don't do it around trucks. You don't want to be drinking that water from the ground. This is for guys who ride daily, rain or shine, man. You need to know these things. For all the others, forget about it. You don't need to know it. Honest Mike sign.